International Criminal Court, Karim Khan announced that he's seeking arrest warrants for Israeli and Hamas leaders, including the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, in connection with their actions during the 7th-month war between Israel and Hamas. Khan said that he believes that they are responsible for war crimes and crimes against humanity in the Gaza Strip and Israel. Meanwhile, US President Joe Biden, in a sharply worded statement, has rejected the ICC Chief Prosecutor's demand for the arrest of Netanyahu and Israeli Defense Minister, saying whatever the prosecutor might imply, there's no equivalence, none whatsoever, between Israel and Hamas.
On the basis of evidence collected and examined and analysed by my office, I have reasonable grounds to believe that 3 senior leaders of Hamas, Yahya Sinwar, Mohammed Daif and Ismail Haniyeh, bear criminal responsibility for the following international crimes committed on the territory of Israel and the State of Palestine from at least the 7th of October 2023. I can also confirm today that I have reasonable grounds to believe, on the basis of evidence collected and examined by my office, that Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Minister of Defense Yoav Gallant bear criminal responsibility for the following international crimes committed on the territory of the State of Palestine from at least the 8th of October 2023.
We have Vishal joining us to get us more on this. Vishal, the ICC is seeking an arrest after Putin now seeking an arrest of Benjamin Netanyahu, even though the United States completely continues to side with its ally Israel. But take us through what really happened when, they did demand the arrest of Putin and nothing seemed to have happened then. But, so where would this really, lead us to when it talks, when they talk about, seeking the arrest of Israeli leader Benjamin Netanyahu?
So right now the World Court has just sought the arrest of these leaders. Remember, these are top leaders on both the sides. Netanyahu and Yoav Gallant on one side and Ismail Haniyeh, Yahya Sinwar and Mohammed Daif on the other. These are all top leaders. They have the ICC has sought these leaders' arrest, but what remains to be seen is what actual effect it will have on effect, because they are all powerful leaders and ICC does not really have that much overarching effect on these leaders' life. So what could happen is that if they're traveling abroad, these leaders, they could face some troubles when they land in foreign territory. That is one point. But largely the arrest warrant is sort of symbolic. The experts have said that. What is interesting is that US has used some strong words against the ICC and said that whatever Israel is doing in Gaza does not amount to genocide. This is a very strong statement from the US. We have to note that US is a big ally of Israel, so that statement was expected. But Biden clamping down on his ICC statement is a big thing. So it remains to be seen what actual effect this ICC statement will have on the ground.
Right. Thank you so much, Vishal, for joining us with all those details.